Y'all ready for a little rerun? All right, this is gonna be quick. 2 chicken breasts, already pounded out with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Heating the grill up. Hang in here with me. All right, you ready? I won't drop it. All right, skin side down. See what I mean? Skin side right there. It's not really skin, it's just the membrane still on it to hold it. Yeah. So, one thing about fitting it on here like this on hot grate, you can't move it until it cooks enough to release. If I tried to move that right now, it's going to be, it's so, these little nuggets here will be done first. They don't fall through. Yeah, you just got to leave it set. Leave it like that for a little bit. All right, as long as this grill stays lit, I'm at the temperature I need to be, so hang on. So the heat went out again. So those things in the back there, wind blows through there and blows my flame out. So I'm gonna just leave it open. Got everything on high. Might take a couple extra minutes, but it'll be open. Now when I'm outside cooking, I don't care whether I'm using wood. If I'm using wood, I'm smoking something in the grill. But I like to smell it. This thing gives off a little bit of heat, but that little chunk of hickory right there puts a little something in the air that I enjoy. Is that covered for a minute? This, keep it covered. It's getting back up the temperature. Look at that. Okay, they're about ready to turn over. See how that one in the back there is turned all the way white? It's a hot spot right there. I'm in my grill. That's just cooking pretty much. That one side is done. I'm not going to move those until they're not dropping in. But, I'm ready. I'll put some barbecue on these in a minute. You don't want to cook them for too long on that first side down. Lay them back in the wet spot. All right. Nice and sticking a little bit. I'll flip those a couple of times just to make sure it's cooked. These little things here are going to be cooked. Little nuggets. If I drop them in there, I'm going to be mad. I'm going to keep messing around until I drop them in there. All right, this chicken is not done yet. So, just so you know, we're not done yet. You put this sauce on here and let it continue to cook. It's gonna get this sugar in this sauce is gonna caramelize. And I might even actually turn the heat down a little bit and let them stay on here for a little while longer. All right. So this has only been turned one time so far too, by the way. Got that skin side or the membrane side cooked. Now the side that's underneath there was kind of pulverized because I pounded this breast meat out. But yeah, we'll let that go for a little bit. Got me a clean pan to put my stuff in. heat down. Maybe this thing will stay on. It's hot. It'll get back up to 300-400. So every time I try to close it down, the wind blows it out. So, like I said, knowing my grill, I know where my hot spots are. You just bring it forward a little bit, and then we'll flip it 2 or 3 times, reapplying barbecue sauce on each turn. And that's how you do that. By the time this gets all caramelized on here, you know, the salt and the pepper and the olive oil down there in the bottom, giving it a little bit of taste. You could eat that chicken just like it is with the salt and pepper on it. It's good. But this barbecue is gonna set it off. Oh God, it's hot. It's hot. I might pull my little nuggets off right now. They're done. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I turned these over already. This is the second application of barbecue sauce. You know, remember just a second ago you saw me do this. That was on the other side, which is now freshly flipped over. And when you do this, you don't want to be flipping these things back and forth and moving them around. You want to let the barbecue sauce just kind of caramelize on the chicken breast. You can see some of that right there. I think I'm gonna flip it one more time and do a second application on the other side. And then I'll be done. Meantime, I'm gonna eat them. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, thanks for having lunch with us. Now we're going to Costco. So, peace out. Hey, take a look at these videos that I'm sharing up here today. And told you, I'm going to try to put a little bit of meaning into everything I share with you guys. Have a good one.